Hi guys, welcome back for quarter two and congrats on passing quarter one. Let's jump right into it. Over here in materials, quarter two, unit three, exponential functions. This is only if you are new to the course. It is intro stuff. If you are not new, you have already done that. So let's hop into week one. As normal, there is the Phoenix flight, there's the welcome. There are the notes. Those are, of course, printed out and in the math bin. Make sure to get those. Okay, this will be something new that maybe you haven't seen yet. Right now, we're going to talk about exponents. Hopefully, you have at least a background knowledge of exponents. If you don't, that's all right. Catch up. Um, it will be your lesson and your assignment for the first lesson. This is called an exploration. So what we're gonna do is use the meaning of what an exponent is to learn a new rule and how to multiply these things with their exponents. So these are going to be printed out and in the bin along with your notes. So make sure you grab these. This is the very first thing that you will be doing this quarter and in week one of quarter two. So go ahead and look through that and complete that for your first assignment and first lesson. On the notes, there's a place on lesson one to write in what did you learn from doing that exploration. So that'll be your notes for that point. Make your submissions over here. You can keep the assignment, obviously, if you submit it through the picture. If you submit it to me in person, then I will grade it and give it back to you. That will be part of your notes as well. Okay, lesson one continued is common mistakes in exponents. It's just a very short video about things that go wrong when people try these. Okay, this throws people off here. When I have 5 to the second times 5 to the fourth equals 5 to the y equals what? This is asking you 5 to the what? So if you think the answer is like 5 to the 100, you would put 100 here. You would not put 5 to the 100. This is saying 5 to the y, what should y be? So this is only asking for the exponent. Same with all of these, all right? Wherever the thing is missing, that's the only thing it wants. Okay? These are all your common mistakes. This is what we were talking about in the video. I talked about this stuff essentially straight up. So make sure you pay attention to that video and you can do that pretty easily there. We'll talk about dividing exponents now. A similar thing, make sure you know which one of the exponents it's asking for. When this asks you, read these directions. Some of them just ask you to expand. Expand just means write this out 4 times 4 times 4 times blah blah blah. So you want to expand these out. Some of them say expand and then simplify, so you have to write them out 7 times 7 times 7 times blah 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 over whatever, and then put equals. What does that simplify to? Simplify that down. So same thing here. Make sure you're following the directions. Some say just expand, some say expand and then simplify. Make sure you're doing what it asks you. Negative exponents, talking about those. This one throws people off. This is literally just saying rewrite it using a positive or negative integer. This one has a positive exponent, so you want to rewrite this same expression. You want it to equal whatever this equals, but rewrite it with a negative exponent. Same here. You want this to be the exact same thing. We're not simplifying or anything. We're just going to rewrite it so that it equals the same thing, but we're making the exponent positive. Same here. The zero exponent. Here's a video. This is more information on it. If you're still confused after this, you can follow this link. There's more videos, there's more explanation, there's stuff to read. Follow this link if you're still confused at the end. These really confuse people. These are difficult. They take a lot of thought. Do not be intimidated. You just have to think about it. This is saying use the product rule, which is the very first thing that you learned in lesson 1. Use the product rule and what you know about multiplying like bases with exponents to prove that the 0th power is 1. Use the equation editor to make your work clear. And then you will do the same exact proof essentially, but with the quotient rule. It'll be easier. Try your best on this. I can help you if you want, just ask me. But definitely try your best on this. All right, and I think that is the end of the week. So